Hey guys, I'm building this GTS Music Tele style guitar kit. On the earlier update I finished staining the guitar. I attempted to make my own custom decal, but it was a disaster, so I ordered one online. I wasn't too excited with the true oil finish on the body. It just didn't have enough contrast with the white pickguard, so I decided to brighten it up. I chose a red oil based paint as the body was already pre-stained with true oil. And yes, it turned out fine. You don't really have to strip the finish to add color. Now that the body was done, I picked up the pace, and in a matter of 2 hours the entire kit was assembled, soldered and strung. I reversed the wiring on the pickup selector by mistake. I'm going to keep it that way as it does throw you off. Anything for a laugh. Here's a quick sound test. Stay tuned for an in-depth review of the build.